My name is Alexx Ekubo, and I love Nigeria because of our movies.
The winner is Alexx Ekubo.
I am not ashamed of the gospel of Christ. I am because he is. Thank you, Jesus. Love you. Give my promise, David. Daddy, I'm
Give yourself grace. You're doing the best you can. Just breathe.
I'm gonna show y'all around. We got the soda water machine over there.
Hold up, what you doing? What you doing?
I was just showing everybody heaven.
Who said you could do that?
I thought he was cool. Jesus said I could do it.
Jesus!
Yes, Daddy.
You told him he could do that?
Honestly, I was just trying to get his followers up. He had like 12. I was like, we can get it at least to 13 or something.
Failure is in the mind. What is failure? What do you consider failure?
He's working with Ngabasi. That's what I think about the hip hop. And he would tell me this. Hey, Igbo Santa, Igbo Queno.
Modanama. Amefula. Enajo Modanama. Church no name ulo jebu wangu ne. Hey, awone kwa. Hiya bana awone ayi na. Awone oye. Keto se wora awone.